folks, I have a beautiful little alto for you today. This is one of my instruments that I've been calling, the desert vibes instruments. A lot of people don't know that most of eastern Oregon is really high desert, high altitude, dry conditions, and we live at the edge of rainforest and high desert here in Hood River. And this series is inspired by this piece of juniper I got from Chris at the D Mill. Juniper is a high altitude evergreen around here, and I've never seen one nice enough to make tops from except for this slice that Chris gave me. So I've just been going for those vibes when we pick out the other woods, that kind of high desert coloring. And I know that this is probably not a real thing, but woods smell certain ways to me. I can tell them apart by smell, and then their sound eventually gets connected to their smell for me. So this one, it smells like juniper. And if you've been anywhere where they burn juniper, especially in the Rocky Mountain West, you know that smell. And so this one just sounds like it smells. It's really bright and chipper and happening, but mellow in its own way. So anyway, it's got this juniper top, and then a very curly myrtle back and sides. This is some of the coolest myrtle I've seen. It came from a really special log from our friends at woodfromthewest.com. It's very hard, so it's good for back and sides. Really curly and colorful. Some cool little flaws in it. And then I used curly Porterford cedar for the neck. And then we went with elm for the fretboard and head plate. And the binding in the bridge is walnut. So yeah, I'm going for that desert color palette, right? Yeah, and this alto size is just nice. It's a good all-around small instrument. It's still got warmth and sustain, but it's got that punchy smallness that I think a lot of us like in ukulele. So yeah, this is for Chris, and it's number 775. Cheers.